Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Whether you like to iron like I do or it's your least favorite chore, this ironing board from Dritz is going to make your ironing chores a little bit easier. First up, let's talk about how compact it is. So if you're in a small space and you don't want or have room for a full-size folding ironing board, this is a great alternative. I like the height as well. I'm 5'7" and I feel like it's a great height when I use it on my table. I don't feel hunched over and my posture feels comfortable. And even though this ironing board is small, it still comes with extras, like a hook for your door to hang it up and a tray that slides out to place your iron. However, as you can see, it's big enough to iron a whole shirt sleeve. I really like the surface fabric. It's got a nice texture to it and it keeps the fabric in place. That's a really nice feature. Lastly, if you sew, you know how often you need to press your fabric while you're working on it. This is so convenient for me as a sewist because of how compact it is. I can take it out and put it away with ease, and a lot of the time your sewing projects aren't really that big anyways, so you don't need a lot of surface space. So if you sew, I would absolutely suggest this ironing board for you. This ironing board by Dritz is sturdy, but it is compact. I really like ironing with it, and that's my point of view.